Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ignore this brow in my hair. So in today's video, we're gonna do a 5-minute makeup. This is the makeup for you to do when you are in a big hurry, just wake up late, or you just are lazy to put the makeup in that day. So let's get started. First thing first, I will start with my sun cream. No matter how rushed I am, I will never skip this crucial step. I highly recommend using the tone up sun cream. It's like a key for your 5-minute makeup. It does two jobs, protecting your skin from the sun, and it also works as a light foundation, help even out your skin tone, and of course it saves you more time. Now we're gonna use the lipstick as a blush and an eyeshadow. Pick a color that looks good on you, but I will recommend guys to use a pink or an orange base color. Put a little bit on your cheek for a natural blush and swipe on your eyelids as an eyeshadow. Use your finger to blend it out, and we're gonna have a natural look like this. It's time to hide my panda eyes. I'm gonna use this concealer to cover all of my dark circle and make your face look more awake. And no one gonna know that we stay up all night watching TikTok and Instagram reels. And now I'm putting some mascara on my eyebrow. Before, when I didn't know about this, I have a little bit confused when putting the mascara on the eyebrows. I am afraid it's gonna be harmful for my eyebrows. Since I start to see a lot of girls doing it, I have more confidence to try it out, and now it's become of my main step in my makeup routine. Is done, and now I will hop into the eyeliner. I know guys, I skipped the mascara for lashes, but with the 5-minute makeup I need to do this. And with the eyeliner, as usual, I'm gonna use the pencil eyeliner to draw a line and then use my finger to blend it to the line that I want to. Following this is I will put a little bit bronzer in my nose bridge to make it visible. Before, I usually ignore this step because I think this is not important, but now when I start to do it, I just realize how important it is because these small things can change the whole makeup look. Now I will put a little bit highlighter in my nose. You guys can skip the step, but for me, I find this step is very fast and it also helps my nose thin out and catch more light. And let's finish with the lipstick. And yeah, just like that, we finish. So there we go, a quick and easy 5-minute makeup routine for those busy morning. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!